Game on, I'm wearing the cheers and the style this IPL.
With my favorite team and my favorite brand, Bella Vita Luxury.
Bring on the fire like Dinesh Karthik with FYRE by Bella Vita Luxury in just rupees 299.
A bold and long-lasting scent that sets you apart from the crowd. Wow, I just love the smell of this perfume.
Be the most wanted like Virat Kohli with Dawn by Bella Vita Luxury.
An oriental scent that gives you confidence to be better every time.
Be a bad guy like Rohit Sharma with Sin.
That not using it would be an ultimate sin. Get in the game and smell like a winner with Dawn, Fire and Sin by Bella Vita Luxury. Buy one and get one free in just rupees 299.